Beautiful day, guys. Another after work special on the Parramatta River. Let's try catch some more flatties today. I'll be targeting bigger species really soon. Looks like it's low tide now. You know what low tide means? Heaps of flatties around. Alright, we'll see how we go. Beautiful day today. Absolutely beautiful. There we go. Let it sink. Hit, but it looked like a hit. Right, we'll try this side now. See how we go on this side. That's what they usually are on the edges. There we go. Rightio. On the edges. Oh, and he's on. There we go. There we go. Probably a baby. There he is. There's our friend, Mr. Flatty. There we go. And there he is. Oh, he unhooked himself too. There we go. On the watermelon grub 2-inch. Nice flatty. There he is. There he is right there. Perfect. Now I'm a catch and release fish show, so we're going to take a good look at him and we're going to release him. That's what it's all about, guys. That's what it's all about. Beautiful flatty. I'd say he's around mid-40s. Something like that, mid-40s. Look at the colour on that. Fucking beautiful. We're going to release him now. And then we're going to try again. All right, time to release the flathead. Come on, buddy, let's go. Come on, I'm trying to release you, mate. All right. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Off he goes. Beauty. And yeah, guys, this concludes our session for today. That was a quick flick after work. I just wanted to see if I can pick up 2, but I haven't had the time now. I didn't have time, you know. I mean, I'm happy with the one fish, which is good. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. I'll be posting more content hopefully with bigger fish, and yeah, maybe a jewfish, who knows, because I just bought some new plastics, bigger plastics, and yeah, we'll see how we go. Alright guys, see you later. Cheers.